Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Universal Backup collects your War Thunder profiles, controls, and mods into a single compressed folder. It keeps input presets, custom controls, and user-created skins together. Use the backup when you reinstall the game, switch machines, or test experimental mods safely. Backups do not alter server-side progression like research or purchases directly. Keep a copy on external drives and cloud storage for redundancy. Verify file timestamps before restoring. Always close War Thunder before making or applying a backup to avoid conflicts. First, close War Thunder completely and confirm the launcher is not running. Navigate to the user folder at %user_profile%appdata/local/War Thunder or your game install path. Collect controls. Config UI, config skins folder and any VTF or CFG mod files you added. Avoid copying large cache or logs to keep the backup small. Compress the chosen files into a single zip named War Thunder Backup YIMD. Zip for clear versioning. Copy that zip to cloud storage or a USB drive for safe keeping. To restore, first extract the zip to a temporary folder and inspect file names. Close War Thunder and the launcher before copying any files into the game folders. Move controls. Config and UI. Config into %user_profile%bec/appdata/local/War Thunder and place skins and mod files into the game install directories. Keep a backup copy of your current configs in case you need to revert. Start War Thunder. Check bindings, custom HUDs, and skins. Re-download any server-verified content if the client shows discrepancies during startup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.